Turbo. Not bad. Woo. Woo. You already know. Smack that subscribe. Hey guys, what is up? One time we're back. Hey guys, what is up? One time we back with another video. So we just got some things in the mail. Let's open them up and let's jump into the 70 and let's keep things going. First, let's open this package up right here. Let's go over the address. So I ordered some things for the 70, like I said in the last video. If you didn't, you gotta check that video out. If you didn't watch it, but open this up. Should be some goodies in here. Let's see what it is. And we have a bag. What's in here? Oh yeah. So we got some red spoke covers. Sweet. So we got some red spoke skins. That's one thing. So put them over there. This, let's see what this is. Good. Oh, that's fair food. I got ferret, so that's fair food. And then over here, we got some brake pads. So we're gonna be doing some brake pads. So my plan for today, we're gonna take the wheels off. I usually would do the spoke covers on the bike, but we're doing the brakes, so we had to take the wheel off. These are drum brakes, so this is gonna be a little how to do jump brakes. So we're probably gonna do 2 videos with this, how to do jump brakes, and then we're gonna put spoke covers on for a separate video. Because I know it's gonna take a little bit to do drums. I know they're a pain in the butt. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. If you guys don't know how to do it, if you do, stay along, stay tuned. But if you can see, it's not in gear. The drum brakes are so bad, they've locked up. So we're gonna do the brake pads in here. And that's what we're gonna be doing today. So we have a lot more things coming in now. We got the brake pads right here. Let's do that. And then since I got the wheel off, I'm actually gonna change the sprocket back too, because we got this big boy on there. We're gonna go back to a little sprocket. That was so much better. First gear lasted longer. Yeah, but let me stop talking. We'll put in time lapse and I'll take this back wheel off. Alrighty, so the first thing I did, just loosen up the chain tensioners right here. Just unscrew that real fast, both sides. Then you got a bolt there, right here. So this is a nut, this actually goes through. So all you're gonna do, let's see, we'll set you up real quick. Should get focus. Then you're gonna use like a vice grip or something to grab this side from spinning. Or you can use 2 sockets, don't really matter. Then, I'm gonna use this. This is my wrench. Let's see if we can. It's actually not even spinning. Gotta love power tools. Boom. Pop the Kirklees chain tensioner off. Next thing you know, slide the axle through. Axle's off. You're gonna hold the wheel up. Take the chain off. Bada bing. Bada boom. Now one thing is holding on right now is the brake. You gotta take that off with your washers, wheel spacers, watch out for them. Boom, there you go. Got it off. Just next thing you know, whoa, the bike's gonna fall. Boom. You pop the brakes off. Oh, hopefully you guys seen that. Let me fix the bike. The bike about to tip over. You know, it's something normal. Oh. Come on, mofo. Let's fix the bike real quick. Alright guys, so I actually want to tell you guys before I continue doing the jump brakes. This is my first time ever doing jump brakes on a CRF70. So if I can do it, you guys can do it. It's not that hard, I don't think. So let's fix it. Got the stuff all right here. Being honest, it looks like it's just 2 springs. Oh, it looks like some springs. Put these guys up closer. Hopefully you can see. Is it focusing? Should be. I'm gonna show you how it works. So look. So if you hit the brake, you're gonna see if it's focusing. Come on, focus. You hit it. See that spread apart? Right there. Watch that. And that puts the springs apart. Yeah, that's how it works. It's nice when I get a pair of pliers. I'm gonna pop these springs out. Oh. Be careful, you don't want them to shoot at you. I should do it with needle nose pliers. That would be a better option. But I'm gonna use the vice grips. Boom, got one. Boom, got the other. Should take a picture, but I got the video, so we should be good. Alright, they're off. I should probably lower you. Alright, so you're off now. Open the new ones up. I didn't even open these, see if they came with everything. I didn't even buy these brakes when I got the bike. They actually came with these brakes. My cousin Corey got them. I don't know. He said they were really good ones. So it just sits just like that. Ta-da! So the spring goes underneath, and the spring goes up top. Okay, I see it. I see it. I see it. So what we're going to do is get this. Is there a left pad and a right pad? Should take notice of that. Let me see if I can get a different angle. There we go. Nice. Let's see. Hook it like that. Like that. Boom. Same thing here. Hook the bottom. Rotate that. Alright. I'm going to use the pliers to pull it. Oh. Where'd it go? I lost it. It flew somewhere. Dang. Alright, so let's try it again. Put the spring on the bottom. I just gotta clip it to the hole right there. Just hold it. Grab the vice grips. pull it. Oh, just like snap. Oh, let's try it again. Needle nose will be so much easier, but I'm being lazy right now. Boom. Got it. Done deal. And that's how you do it. And then once you put it back on the bike, we'll do adjustment. Alright, so I'm just going to put the wheel back on the bike now. Do adjustments. Make sure everything works. And then take it back off. And then do spoke skins. So, let's put it on the bike and let's get busy. Got the wheel. Move all brake pads out of the way. Remember, this is going to go like this. This piece slides up into the frame, like that. Bada bing, bada boom. Boom. Slide the axle through. A little chain tensioner right there. Thing. Wheel spacer. Don't forget that. Put the chain on. Oh. There we go. Bada boom. Then other side, chain tension. Oh, boom. Put the nut on. Timeout stuck in here. Do you believe? Oh, man. Let's put her in. Alright, switch it to the other side now. That way you can see what's going on. Alright, so after you put the chain on, you tighten up your chain tensioners. Make sure your chain is all nice and tight. A little bit of slack. Boom. Grab a plier. Damn, these vice grips are coming handy today. I mean, use these things for everything. No, a little looser. You want a little play like that. You don't want too tight. Boom. You do this. Do the same to the other side. Boom. Wheel straight. Tighten it. Wheels nice and tight. And would you look at that? If you notice in the beginning of the video, that wheel wasn't rolling. But just do a little adjustment here. Tighten this up. Then you go over to your brake pedal. And you feel it how you want it. If you want it to go like here or all the way down, you pick it. You just keep tightening this now. Spin it. Good. Boom, bada bing, bada boom. That's how you do drum brakes. Alrighty. Alright guys, we're gonna end the video here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, maybe a big fat thumbs up. Smack the subscribe if you're not subscribed. And I hope to catch you in more videos. We got the builds going. Everything's happening. So hit that subscribe, stay tuned.